Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This apparatus is called the pneumatic control trainer. This apparatus consists of a trainer and a compressor. Pneumatics means the use of compressed air to perform a variety of operations. These operations can be repetitive in nature, dangerous to the workers. They may be heavy or performed in an unfriendly environment, or they may need accuracy or speed of operation. The typical pressure used to perform these operations in modern industries is approximately 6 bar. Pneumatics is widely used in many industries to achieve the low cost automation. Pneumatics is used in many industries like the automobile manufacturing industries, where it is used in robots for gripper and feed operations. Also used in non-robotic operations like clamping, lifting and stamping. Pneumatics is also used in packaging industries. Pneumatics is also used in those industries to provide low-cost automation where there are the dangers of sparks associated with the use of electrical control systems, because the compressed air itself cannot cause a spark. These industries include ammunition, gases and petrochemicals. Besides these, there are many other applications also. Before using the pneumatic equipments and the compressed air supply, make sure that all pipework is secured. Loose pipes or tubes can be flashed violently if compressed air is passed through them. Do not direct compressed air pipes or tubes towards your body, especially towards your eyes. While using the pneumatic equipments and compressed air, never try to stop components which are in motion by hand, because the pneumatic components have powerful motion and they can cause injuries. Before performing any experiment, connect the compressor to the pneumatic control trainer by using the 4 mm tubings. Here we have the hand slide valve and distribution manifold with 4 ports. This component is the 3x2 way toggle operated directional control valve. These two are the 3x2 way push button operated directional control valves.
These 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 are the 3x2 way directional control valves and they are roller operated. These 4 are the roller operated 3x2 way directional control valve. These 2 are the push button operated 3x2 way directional control valves. This one is the toggle operated 3x2 way directional control valve. This one is the AND gate module. This one is the OR gate module. This one is the YES gate module. This one is the NOT gate module.
These two are the double acting cylinders. And this one is the single acting cylinder. Air cylinders are basically the muscles of the pneumatic systems. They are used to move, hold or to form the materials. These two are the simple flow control valves used to control the speed of operation. These two valves, this one and this one, these are the 5x2 way directional control valves.
This component is the air reservoir to store the compressed air, and this component is the quick exhaust valve. This component is the quick exhaust valve and this one is the air reservoir to store the compressed air.